Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's having an amazing day so far. Today your boy Sky has a very interesting video about an extremely low cap altcoin which has the potential of 100x, and the altcoin we're talking about today is Gadexswap. If you guys haven't heard of it, don't worry, I will explain everything you need to know about it today. Also, the altcoin is so new, the site is still under construction, but at the same time that makes it very good because you will be early into the coin. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time and you don't want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but it will help me and you out as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will see the positive side of Gadexswap. They decide to join the community, they decide to buy it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Let's go for 201 likes. If we smash that would be incredible. Now, if you guys haven't already guessed from the name of the token, it is one of the DeFi apps, and it's actually very new. Top 3 best DeFi app on Binance Smart Chain. The reason that they are using Binance Smart Chain over the Ethereum is because Ethereum just has so much fuel cost and you guys will have to pay so much just trying to convert and stuff like that. By the way, the circulating supply is close to 100 million. As I said, the whole site is very new, and at the same time they are trying to construct it as much as possible. But a couple of things we can take from here is it has been audited by 2 different teams. First of all, Hackin, and second one is Certified K. Whenever you're looking into a new token, always look for audits, because if it's been audited by a team, the only way the team will actually audit the whole thing is if it's rug proof, and most likely there will be no rug pull. At the same time, this is a yield farming one, and they have already requested a listing for CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and also PancakeSwap has already been done. The main idea behind this token is they do want to create a swap and at the same time a yield farming token. So they do want you to lock away your token and you will be receiving an interest over a year. If you do look on poocoin.com, you will be able to find out their total supply is 100 million, their market cap is close to 2.1 million, and at the same time they started off at 14 cents as the price, but has dropped quite a bit since the initial release, and right now it's close to 2 cents, making it a good time to actually buy in. Now, talking about all the yield farming that is on the website at the moment, you guys can see most of them are turned off because it's still in construction mode, and it should be coming out in near 1 to 2 days, and it should be out and you will be able to deposit your token and actually earn some interest on it. The interest will be way more compared to a normal bank. It will be close to 100 or 200%, and that is going to be good to actually lock away your token. Overall, I do like the idea behind this token. I just personally love the idea of yield tokens and swap tokens because over time they always seem to perform much better compared to a meme token, excluding Dogecoin, because that thing is a fire, okay? Because this actually has a purpose, so over time they will be increasing in price. But overall, I'm very excited to see what it looks like once all of this is added back into the site. By the way, boys and girls, all the deposit fee that will be charged when you will be trying to lock away your coin will be used to actually buy back GaDex and also burn it. So whenever it's burnt, you guys know the circulating supply will go down, therefore increasing the price. Overall, I'm just very excited to see where this token heads to in the future. As you guys can see, they are already trying to make their own exchange, but right now it is connected to PancakeSwap. In the future, they will be releasing their own one very soon. Looking at their Twitter page, you guys can see it's very new at the moment, and also their pin tweet says coming soon. They only have close to 60 followers. It's a good thing because some token companies, when they are a meme coin or it's a rug pull, they usually just add fake followers to show, ooh, so many people actually like us. But this token is being legit and at the same time making sure that they actually have a gradual growth and authentic followers that actually care about the token and not just following because it's a fake follower and they got paid to do so. But looking at their white paper, you guys will be able to notice a lot of good things about the token. First of all, the roadmap. In May, which is Q1, they do want to build their site, which is they are working on at the moment, create a Gadexswap and run it, build a smart contract on the Binance Smart smart chain and listing on PancakeSwap. Most of that is already been done. In the second one, they want to build a smart contract at ERC20 and listing on Uniswap. In the third one, they want to build a smart contract on Geeko chain and also listing on mdex.com. You know, Dogecoin just got listed on that very recently. Lock GaDex token, burn GaDex token, and listing on exchange. So they do have a decent roadmap to see what it will end up in the future. Talking about the distribution on how much is distributed where, so about 60 million has already been burnt. Then the other one is locked away, which is close to 100 million, and 140 million is on public sale, meaning it is the circulating supply. The total supply is close to 300 million, but circulating supply is what we need to worry about, which is obviously 140 million, which is really good in my opinion compared to some meme coins which have like 1 trillion or 1 quadrillion. There's so much. By the way, talking about the fee, so GaDex applies a fee of 0.25% for all swaps and trade. 0.20% will go to liquidity provider to make the price a little bit more stable and the whales not controlling it extremely, and 0.05% will be converted into GXDex token and pretty much distributed to all the holders at the moment. So overall, they do have a very solid plan in going into the future. There was no pre-sale done, no pre-mining, fair distribution of all GA tokens. The Gadexswap team will only receive 1% of all the farm GA tokens. For example, the bakery team gets 1 DEX token for every 100 farmed, which isn't actually quite a bit if you think about it. Some other teams charge close to 5%, and 1% I feel like is pretty fair in my opinion. But moving on, let's talk about their Telegram. As I said, they are very new, but they still have 140 members inside of their Telegram. That's not actually very bad if you think about it, because the meme tokens, they get a lot of followers over very quickly. But as I said, these types of tokens, they take longer to actually get into the spotlight, but once they get into the spotlight, they will shine due to the fact they actually have a real life usage. Me personally, I do like tokens like this if I do want to invest long term. Rather than leaving my $1,000 in the bank, I would put it into a currency like this, which over 5 years, it will give me a good return. So overall, I'm very excited to see where this token heads to. By the way, if you do want to know about how many people are holding onto this token at the moment, it is close to 160. And if you do not know how to purchase this token, it's very simple. All you need to do is you need to make your way to PancakeSwap and make sure you guys do have a Trust Wallet installed and you have an account on it. Once you have a Trust Wallet account, you just need to go ahead and purchase some BNB, convert it into Smart Chain, then connect your Trust Wallet to the PancakeSwap. Then on the top, make sure it is Smart Chain. So if you do not know how to do that, just click it and it will just say BNB Smart Chain. Click that, and then you guys will just have to fill in how much BNB you want to convert into Gadexswap. Once you have put that in for 2, so from will be in BNB, for 2 you just need to click it and it will say put in the address. For the address, just make your way to the BSC scan for the GA token, and once you get there, you just need to copy the contract address, put it in the from, and you guys will notice that Gadexswap will just pop up. Simply go ahead and click it, and now you guys will be able to go ahead and swap it. Once you swap it, it will be put in your Trust Wallet. It's that simple. Other than that, what do I think about this token? It's a good term, long-term investment. In short term, if you want quick money, it's probably not where you would want to go. But out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, slap a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.